Hey everybody, James from the Scarpetta group here. Just wanted to give you a little tutorial on the Find My Present, the holiday scavenger hunt app that we're putting out. So let's scroll down on the blog. There's a couple things that you need to actually use it. So I'm going to walk you through it. First thing you need to do is download the app Claris FileMaker Go 19 from the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. So if you click the link here on your phone or your iPad, it will prompt you straight into the App Store and you'll be able to download it. I already have it downloaded, so I wouldn't need to do that. Then, once you go down to the bottom of the post, you'll enter your name and your email, and then hit the complete form to receive your download. This will send you an email with the Dropbox link to download the app. Here's what the email looks like. You'll just click the Dropbox link here. It'll open up. It'll say save it for later, sign up for an account. You don't have to do that. Just click the X and then off to this, just say direct download. It'll say, do you want to download this? Yes, just hit download. And you'll see that little flash up there. Once that's there, you can see that the app is there. We'll click on it. It won't directly open, so what we need to do is just click this little up arrow and just open it with FileMaker Go. It should show up right there for you in your suggested apps. So once it opens, it starts up with the parent setup. So we just have to enter some info. So I'll just put, what's your first name? We'll say James. Enter a 4-digit PIN, 1, 2, 3, 4 to make it simple. We'll say continue. This is a Christmas message that you can add that will be seen after they find answer all of the clues and find the present. We can skip that by just hitting continue for now. Then it brings you straight to where you can add clues. So if I click the add clue button, it says what is the clue to locate the code, which is a QR code that you'll be able to print, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So for now, we'll just say, where do we bake cookies? And the answer, which is down here, will say oven. It is not case sensitive, so you don't have to worry about that. You can select to add new or continue. So we can add another one here. We'll say, where do we wash clothes? And we can say the washer. Oop. Take that wrong. And you can add new, or you can say done entering and go back to the list. So we're going to say done entering. So you have the 2 clues there. Again, here's where you can add that final message, Merry Christmas, hope you enjoy your present. I'm just going to skip over that for now. Then you can click to print your answer tags. So from here, it will generate QR codes for them. So you'll see that it'll rotate between red and green. They can scan it or they can type the answer in, which I'm going to show you in a second, but you can print that from here or email it. We'll just say done. Once you're done, you can go back to the home screen. When they log into it, you can say I'm a kid. It starts with the clues, so we can type in the answer again or click the little barcode there and it'll let you scan the code. We'll just hit next. It'll go right to the next question. Once you answer this question, then that view message will be visible and then you can see the message. For now, I'm going to go back to the list. If they're not doing it right now and you were just, checking it, make sure everything looks good, you can go back to the home screen. You can hit log out or reset app. Log out will just close this. Reset app clears everything out as if it was brand new. If you go back into I'm a parent, you can enter your PIN again to get back to your settings. If you forget your PIN, just click the little PIN icon here. It tells you, we know it's super secure. I'm just going to hit cancel. I'm going to log out. And one thing you can do, it'll show you in your left side where it's at, but we can hold this down. Sorry. Can't hold it down. We have to hit select. And if I select this, I can add it to my favorites. So now it's under the favorite icon too. So when you give this to them to use on Christmas morning or for whatever holiday, they can just click the favorite icon or it'll be under the My Apps. Hope you enjoy it.